you guys? Ron here and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's been raining every single day. But hey, that's not gonna stop us from producing this week's content. So, today I am at a graffiti park here in Bangkok City. And I thought this would be the ideal venue to show you some GoPro photography tips to level up that photography game. So, let's get into it. Before we get started, let me walk you through my go-to mounts and accessory for any shoot. So I have with me my trusty Jawflex clamp, and over on the top I have the bike mount. And of course, not forgetting the GoPro Max Grip. So I think today, this is gonna be a really exciting shoot at this venue. Tip number one, when it comes to photography, you have probably heard this 1,000 times, and that is the rule of thirds. Describes a basic compositional structure of a photograph by dividing it into 9 equal elements. So the rule suggests that you place your subject matter where the line intersects. By doing so, it draws your viewer's eyes into your composition instead of just looking into the center of the photograph, hence creating a more compelling story. To do that with your GoPro camera, all you gotta do is simply swipe down and turn on those grid lines. That would enable you to frame up and compose your image so much easier. Go give it a shot. Alright, so if you are capturing content mainly for social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook, you might want to consider rotating your GoPro camera vertically for portrait orientation capture. Why is that so? Well, as you know, most of the users on those platforms are viewing your content via their mobile phone. Hence, by capturing vertically orientated photos or content, you are able to maximize your share of screen to deliver a better viewing experience for your audience. Well, go give it a try, you be the judge. This next tip is my personal favorite. Use time-lapse photo at 0.5 seconds to capture amazing candid moments, especially great for fast action shots all the way to your everyday moments like this. And that's it for this week's video, you guys. I hope that with these simple tips, you are able to level up that GoPro photography game. And if you have enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, drop in a comment and subscribe to the channel for more of such weekly content. Until then, I will see you in the next upload. Bye! For those of you who have stayed to the end, here is a bonus tip for you to get that amazing GoPro quality. Always make sure that your lens is clean. Check and check and check. It's as simple as that. Alright, I will see you next time. Bye!